Yeah, hello guys. Uh, what we do is today I want to tell you the few things about the flows. I think you have heard about the flows. Most flows are the most important part in sales flows nowadays. So is it visible? I hope it is visible now. Okay. Flows now. So what is the use of flows? The flows is like if you want to do the automation in the object, you can work out on the flows. It depends upon some actions, or else when the record is saved, or else when the record is updated, or else when the record is created or updated, or when the record is deleted. So all these things comes into this, and we have the actions also. Suppose once you save the record, the one action should happen. Either it may be the action like it may be the task or the email also. Okay, but as of now, I'm going to show you when I save the record. When I save the record in the object, that two example is on the account object. On the account object, the description should be saved with saved successfully. Okay. The user should not enter saved successfully. When the user enters the record, automatically when he click the save button, then automatically the description has to come like saved successfully. Okay. So now if any user entering the record into the account object, automatically you should get the saved successfully in the description. This is the simple logic for the flows I'm going to do now. We have done this in the field update with the workflows on the procedures. Okay, but now from the flows we are going to learn something about how we can do the automation in a simple way by using the trigger flow. In the trigger flow, we have a record triggers flow. Okay, so these things we are going to learn now. I'm going to show you practically. Now check this one. Now go to the setup first. On the right hand side, we have the setup here. Click the setup. On the left hand side, we have the quick find box. In the quick find box, I click here as in flows. Right click, open in a new tab. As I tell you always use a new tab. Now on the right hand side, we have the new flow, the flow trigger explorer. Click from the scratch, new flow. Click from the scratch like new flow. Now see here, trigger automation. Now click on the record trigger flow. First we have the objects, a select object. Then afterwards we have the configure trigger. Afterwards we have the set entry conditions. Then optimize the flow. Okay. So first what I'm going to do is I'm going to pick up the account object here. Account object. When it has to get like saved successfully when the record is created. So I pick up as a record is created. Scroll down. So no conditions met. So I'm giving as none. On the left hand side, we have the optimize the flow for first field updates and the action and the related records. On the right hand side, action and the related records means when the record is saved, after that only we will get a small pop-up. On the left hand side, we have the fast field updates means now we will get like before the record is saved. So pick up this one. Once you get on the left hand side, we have the panel here. See here. On the left hand side, we have the panel. Click the plus button. So once you click the plus button, now select assign. See here, we have the options, different types of options we have. One is customer error, updating trigger record, updating related records. Scroll down, you can find the assignment, decision loop, collection sort. Scroll down, you can find the update records, get records. Now we need the assignment, only the assignment. Take the assignment here. So what I'm going to do is I'm writing the assignment like description. Saved successfully. Now, what is the variable name? Here we have two types. One is trigger account, one is running flow interview. Okay. Now pick up only the trigger account. In the trigger account, pick up the field which we need. That is a description field. That is called account description will be there. Account description. Wait a minute, I'm searching for the account description. See, account description is here. Now click the account description equals to. I'm writing into invited quotations like saved successfully. Okay, after this, save. On the right hand side top, you have the save button here. Click the save button. So once you save, now give the name for the flow. What is this flow? When the record is saved, when the record is saved in account description should be saved successfully. Okay. Copy this and paste it here. Now save now. So once you save, now we need to activate this. We need to activate this. Or else if you have any idea about the flows, you can go with the debug, you can go with the view test and that and all. But as of now, I'm going to activate this flow. Activate this flow. See, now the flow is activated. Now what we have to do, we have to run this. We have to see whether we have done correct or not. Now go to the object, the account object. Refresh the page first. Go to the account object. In the account object, click the new button. Now I'm giving the name here as test flow. Okay. Save the record now. Once you save the record, now we have to get the result like in the description, saved successfully. See here? Now we got the saved successfully here. Now we got saved successfully. This is called a simple flow. So, so those who are not aware about the flows, those who are new to the flows, you can check what is this flow means. You can have more knowledge about the flows. Okay, we will go one by one. First, learn about this small flow. Then afterwards, we're going to add some actions. We are going to add some conditions and all. So we'll do that. Okay. And thank you guys. Thank you for joining.